Local news for Tuesday, the 6th of August. Mid-Central DHB has welcomed the announcement that the government will provide funding for the replacement of 25 linear accelerators, including Palmerston North. An investment of $25 million will go towards funding the first 5 replacement machines. Palmerston North is the tertiary centre for regional cancer treatment, which provide cancer treatments to the Wairarapa District Health Board. An unexpected water outage yesterday morning affected a number of streets in Carterton, and there were delays yesterday on the Rimataka Hill Road after a truck accidentally dropped its load. A public meeting is being held this Sunday, 2 o'clock at Lakeview School, and being hosted by the Wapua Community Catchment Group. They offer the public the chance to see what they're talking about and to hear their thoughts. Lakeview School, 2 o'clock this Sunday. And nominations are now open for the Wairarapa Netball Awards 2019. In other sports news, the Wairarapa United women scored a 1-1 draw against Palmerston North Marist on the weekend, the result leaving them second on the table. And the Ferries Wairarapa Bush will tonight take on the New Zealand Army with kick-off at 7 o'clock, and a game with special significance just 48 hours ahead of Sir Brian Lahore's funeral. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.